Welcome to another episode of the Isidore Group podcast. Today's topic of discussion is how to create a network security plan. With over 2,116 data compromises in 2023 alone, safeguarding your organization's digital fortress is more critical than ever. Starting with assessing your current network security is key. Identify all vulnerabilities, from outdated software to weak access points. Next, define clear, achievable security goals. Aim to block unauthorized access and protect sensitive data. Crafting a robust network security plan follows. It should detail preventive measures, like segmentation and intrusion prevention systems. Implementation is where theory meets reality. Install the latest security hardware and software. Establish strict access controls, but hardware alone won't cut it. Training your team on data security's importance is crucial. They must understand their role in safeguarding the network. However, a set-and-forget policy spells disaster. Regularly test and update your security measures. Stay ahead of emerging threats. Continuous monitoring ensures you catch breaches before they escalate. Document every step and regularly review your security posture. Adaptation is the name of the game. For more details on each step, read the full article on the Isidore Group's website, and don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for easy access anytime.